The ESI MAYA44ex is a 24-bit PCIe audio card with 4 inputs and outputs. This modern, high-quality audio interface is optimized for home recording and professional audio applications at the highest level. The MAYA44ex is equally suitable as a low-cost PCIe solution, and for professional users who require the highest compatibility with all modern PCIes with PCIe slot, offering 2 analog stereo inputs, 2 analog stereo outputs, a microphone input with 48 volume phantom power, a high Z input, and controllable headphone output, an optical S PDIF digital output, an optical S PDIF digital input, and modern EWDM drivers. This audio interface screams versatility and flexibility. With full extended DirectWIRE support, the MAYA44ex is suitable for home recording, podcasting, audio streaming, multi-channel playback, professional DJ applications, and much more. This unit works with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 with both 32-bit and 64-bit applications. This unit also works with Macs and Hackintosh. The included software packages includes Audix in Tone 2 ESI edition, an extremely powerful host application for effects, signal processing and recording with third-party FST plugins, or the included Applion Free and GK Amplification 2 LE plugins. Also included is Decadence LE by Stanton, a high-quality DJ application that allows you to play songs like a professional DJ. It's a full Hackintoshable audio card and plays really well. Right now we use macOS Catalina, but also works very well on macOS Big Sur. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.